Hey guys, how are you all doing? My name is Ruchi and welcome back to Create with Ruchi. Today I'm gonna prepare North India's very special and very popular dessert recipe with you guys. So without any further delay, let's get started. To prepare the rabdi, I have taken a pan. In that I have taken 1.5 liter whole milk, which is also known as full cream milk. We'll start heating this milk. Make sure the flame is on medium. Once you see the milk is coming to the boil, then put the flame on very low. Otherwise the milk will spill outside and the whole process will ruin. Making rabdi is a very easy process, but you need to just make sure that you keep stirring it. Also keep the flame on very low. There are two types of rabdi. One is regular rabdi, another one is lachedar rabdi. In this video we will prepare regular rabdi. After cooking for 10 minutes, the milk has reduced and as you can see, this has become quite thick. To get the rabdi texture of this milk, we have to cook this more until this becomes very thick. Also keep scraping the sides. Now is the crucial time, so make sure you keep scraping the edges and keep stirring it. Friends, if you are new to my channel and like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. So friends, as you can see, this has become quite thick. We will cook this for about 1 more minute. After 1 minute, you can see the rabdi is almost ready and this has become quite thick. Now we will add 1/4 cup, which is approximately 52 grams sugar. But use sugar according to your taste. If you like to eat more sweet, you can add extra, or if you like to eat less sugar, then use less. After adding sugar, we will cook this for another 2 minutes. So in total, we cook this milk for about 20 minutes. To give beautiful flavor to the rabdi, I have taken 4 green cardamom. I will microwave these cardamom for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes in microwave, now I will take them and crush them and take out their seeds. Friends, if you don't have microwave, you can dry roast them over the flame in the pan. Here I have taken the green cardamom seeds. I will make a fine powder out of it. Never throw the peel of these cardamoms. You can use them while preparing the tea. This will give beautiful flavor to your tea. Coarse cardamom powder is ready that we will transfer into the rabdi and mix that very well. So friends, this beautiful looking and delicious rabdi is ready. Now we will transfer that into the serving bowl. As you can see how creamy and thick this is. To make this rabdi more delicious, here I have taken about 10 pistachios, about 5 to 6 cashew nuts. Both I have cut into small pieces. Now transfer all the dry fruits into the rabdi and mix everything. I'm garnishing this rabdi with some more pistachio and cashew nuts. Friends, this delicious creamy rabdi is ready. If you like my video, then give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram and on Facebook. Keep watching Create with Ruchi. Stay safe, stay healthy. For now, bye bye.